Yeah. So me I say right now, me can tell every man this, and me can say this. You see when you have a look at next man woman, it have a cost you. Remember me tell you that. What's if the man have nothing to give her, you see what me I say, and if she even love you and say you are the man, let me tell you this, you get hurt. You see what I say? Yeah, you're going to get hurt. You see what I say? Because if a girl love you and I deal with you like garbage, and then when she calm down, she's sorry for what she do. You hear me I say, man? And then if a girl want to fuck a man best friend, that the girl is not a good girl. You see me? Because you hear me? I know if girl out there fuck them man best friend. You see me I say? Yeah. Them there with the man, you know, and them still a fuck them a go fuck the man best friend. You see me? Why you don't want your man best friend number in your phone? Tell me now. You see what I say? So some girl a dirty girl out there. I mean I take back that out there. Just like some big woman. But where you hardly find big woman where I do them things there. Mostly some little girl, some young girl we have all 4 or 5 picnics, you see what I say? And now no help. You see me? Them start run up and down and every man them see, them want to fuck them. You see me? And if a girl a go see every man and like them and fuck them, that girl then a good girl, a dirty girl that. You see me? Straight, dirty blood clad girl that. You see what I say? Yeah man. That's why you see enough of them girls are suffer so and full of all kind of disease, you see me? If you have a next man, it's like a second man from the side, yes, with your man. Nothing wrong with that. You see me? But some girl chest too high. That's why enough of them fucking suffer and sometimes them do something and everybody know what them do. You see what I say? What's that if a bad man they want? Because you have some girl I pay a bad man they want friggin' you know. I want to take working man for idiot. So you hear me I say? I the one done this attack. You have some girl out there can't satisfy at all, no matter what. Now care you check for them and care about them and love them. Them not give a fuck about that. You see what I say? Them still want to fuck the world. You see me? And still I go on like them are good as when them is a blood clot, Jezebel and Skittle and dog shit. You see me I say? If a girl a good girl and she mean you good. Alright, enough girl out there with man and I do nothing for them. And the man on the side make them happy. And you know them treat the man on the side like a pussy though. And me if you tell you no. Yeah man, and treat the man on the side like a big pussy hole. You see what I say? And you there for them. And because you give them your things and you give them money and so, it not mean say you must take step of them. You see what I say? Yeah. But you have some girl out there man, them are real dog shit man. It doesn't matter. And you have man out there to a woman look out for and them treat the woman like a pussy too. It's not right. And as for the girl them we treat man we look out for them like pussy hole. Yeah. You need to think and check man because remember time is very hard. Time is very hard. You have some girl out there, them have to take all kind of man. Yeah, for sacrifice. To make the man a yard feel good. You have some woman, you have some man out there, if you go around to all kind of woman, we love them up and we'll give them money to mind them woman a yard same way. That's what I say. So it work both ways. And the people like them they always get styling and using. You see me? And when a girl tell a certain words out of her mouth and she ignorant and tell her she mean what she say, boy, me not believe a man should have run back to a woman like that with disrespect her a certain way. Because some of them girls are ungrateful, very much ungrateful, just like how some man ungrateful and woman let them out. But some of them girls are ungrateful, me I tell you, me not lie, fucking ungrateful. Trust me. And the truth me I tell you. You feel it man, them say who feels it knows it, you see me? Enough girls sit down here with man and I do nothing for them, you know. And I want another man I look out for them. Another man I look out for them. And them now look out for that man that way I look out for them. Them still I hug up the little man and I give them nothing at all when I do nothing for them. You know, see some of them girls have no fucking sense, Rasta. It's just like some man have a good woman and the woman will look out for him. And him still hug up on the girl and not do nothing for him. You see what I say? I know every one of them girl are loyal, brother. I know every one of them man are loyal woman. Let me tell you that straight. I did not tell you this. Yeah, today the 24th of August 2018. I mean I tell you this, yo. I go through a phase and you can tell a man this. But now I make this happen to me again. You see me? No way, now I make this happen to me again. In each thing, anything will happen to a man supposed to learn. Anything will happen to a woman, she's supposed to learn. You see me? Yeah, your woman will tell us, boy, if the man beat her, she won't. If the man beat her, she won't react back. How can you love somebody and beat them? Eh? You see me? A man can't love a woman and beat her up. And a woman, a woman can't love a man and beat him up neither. So basically, no love, no jealous. You see me? But if a woman sit down in her mess same way, you can't take her out because she's not sorry for herself. And if a man sit down in her mess same way and him say, well, you deal with that woman and not pay no mind and she don't really care about you. And you sit down in that same way, she got treat her like rubbish sheep. You see me? Yeah. So basically, you look out for some of them girl, yeah, and who you think them deal with? The man with them deal with. You see me? The man that cannot give them nothing. That is the man them deal with. You see me? I say straight. It's just like some man I spend them money on some girl when I even have nothing feelings for them, not even love for them, they even care about them. But what? Yeah, give them so they might take it. I don't believe so if you don't want a person, you don't take him things. That's what I say. And I worry for them girl I play a loose ball out there. Trust me. Because who them I go for? Either your enemy them I go fuck with or your best friend them I go fuck with. You see me? But don't have woman a yard and pitney and them still go after that. I don't know if some of them get there think, yeah man. And I look at man a single and a work. You see me having money all the while and him them want to use to get back. And then him them want to use for build back for themselves and build back the same man and not give them nothing. Some of them girls have no fucking sense and no head. I tell you that. Especially for the girl them when say a bad man in love. Yeah, some of them girls have no sense. You see me I say? Straight. So, at that me I say, all like man them will work hard in a sun out every day. And the woman them will work hard in a sun out and take care of some man when I really mean they're not good. We don't need to stop it. You see me? Some man will take care of some woman. To one man on the side, we don't take care of some woman when I mean they're not good. We don't need to stop it, brother. Trust me, you need to stop it. You see me? Certain responsibility you not take up on your head. If the man a yard not help them, what the fuck? Because you have some woman there just fuck alone, you know. Yeah. Yeah man, for real. Just a fuck, nothing else. Man no give a fuck about them. Man no go say watch out, me have somebody here he hungry, me care something go give and he gone again. He don't give a fuck. He just want to know something about woman and yard to fuck. When you want pussy or so. You see what I say? And a lot of these young girls have talent where them can go out to go work. And a lot of these men sit down a yard, have a woman minding them, and if them not suck her pussy or do some nastiness to her or so, to she have money to get what them want. What easy life them want. You see me? But hear what me I say. It is better when you're independent. And a lot of people don't like when you're independent. When you work and have your own, a lot of people don't like that. You see what me I say? Straight. When you can be an independent person and take time to build yourself, yeah, you know but I sit down and stress over nobody when I mean you no good. You know but I sit down and worry about nobody when I check for you. You see what I say? At that me I say. So all that people them where all that man them we are stress out themselves. We don't need to call up to the fall up above man. And all that woman them we are worry themselves. We are spend out their money on some man them things so they love them. From no say them no love no man, no move up man. And move up time. Nobody not stuck one place, you know. Yeah, and if a girl if you ask a girl a certain question and she get ignorant on you, yeah, that means say about a little simple matter. That means she's not a person that you know something. You see what I say? So that's what me see it in a brother.